Hi. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Of course. Of course, it's a Hermy day. It's kind of yucky out, raining. Not a good one, but we're going to make the best of it, right, Riley? So we just want to say happy Friday. We hope everyone else's day is bright. No rain, no snow, only blue skies, right? Oh. Perfect. That's my cue. Mommy's going to try really hard to do it well, okay? Ooh, that was a good one, right? Okay. Oh, that was it. She just stepped all over Puppy. Move this bed. What's this? Someone mentioned yesterday about Riley's slow motion. She's been doing that a lot. It's so funny. Oh, nice. Good job. Aw, so that was little Beatty. He got a moment of headbutts. Who's this? Ooh, Brock. We gotta get all her babies playtime, right? Not just one. Oh. All right. No, Mommy didn't do that well. All right, I'll try again. Okay, got it. Oh! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Baby's flying everywhere. Oh, that's hysterical. She just stepped on Stanley. This is definitely a wacky morning. Right, right? Baby's flying. Oh. Okay. Is that for me? Perfect. Okay. All right. Oh, Mommy's not doing well. I can't throw. Oh, there's Hermie between the pillows. There's Beatty. Right. Oh, who's this? Who's this? Who's this? No, not interested. Not interested in poor lamb chop. How about him? Nope. All right, so who do we want? All right, hold on. Which one? There's two. All right, we got to figure it out. Which one is Riley's choice? So we have Brock. Or we have Hermie. Huh. Nope. Oh, was it Brock? You wanted to play with Brock again? Okay. She just literally stepped all over little Rosie and little Puppy. Huh. What do you want now? What do you want? Who's this? Who's this? No. She doesn't seem to like Puppy at all, which that bothers me. All right, my favorite. Let's see what happens. Oh, no. Rosie. Rosie was just literally left in the dust. Riley. That hurts Mommy. Oh, poor thing. I'm going to try one more time. Oh, nice. All right. Is that a good sign? Oh. Very good. We got Beatty back? All right. All right, everyone. So we just want to say happy Friday. Riley looks like she needs some water. She's getting all crazy. Please pray for all the victims, families of that tragedy. There are no words. Prayers, prayers, prayers. We thank you so much. We appreciate you all. And most importantly, don't forget, Riley loves you. Bye.